Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a ground beef casserole. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of uncooked penne pasta, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. Add your water to a pot, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring your water to a boil, then add your pasta. Allow your pasta to cook for 9 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 9 minutes, turn off your heat and drain your water. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil. Now add your ground beef and onion and allow your ground beef to brown. Now add your garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and black pepper. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe and other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now pour in your marinara sauce, then season with your garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and dried parsley. Add the pasta to your pan and coat with your sauce. Lightly spray your baking dish with oil, then add your pasta. Top with your shredded cheese, then transfer to your preheated oven. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking.